Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard. So far is the echo. When do we start? You can learn that it's.
Hi guys, I'm back again. So ngayon ay nakapagluto na ako ng breakfast. Ready na ang breakfast. Kaya lang yung aking mga kapatid ay nasa nasa ibaba, nagtatanim pa ng munggo. So I have to wait them. But you know, I have to show you something here. Oh my god. Look, they are relaxing. They just eat breakfast. So they are the one who eat breakfast first than us. Look at them. Oh, see the lazy guys here. What's that? Maybe after 2 months they will lay egg, so you can eat egg. And now I am going to my, but you know guys, I forgot to show you this sugar cane. Yeah, sugar cane. So now I'm going to my father. Grabe guys, ang init dito. Ngayon ay 7:20. Pero parang alas 11 na. Grabe ang init. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kayang mabuhay. Sige nga, baliktarin natin yung camera. So ayan yung work kahapon. So far we have so far there is progress yesterday. And this is it, our gate. This is our gate for the duck. So this is the chicken house. By the way, it's big. Popeye!
Good morning.
Good morning. I guess this is a chicken house store. Chicken house store. So it's big. It's big. We have 4 rooms. And this is the first room. Okay. So the first room, it's only the guy. Only one guy inside. But the room, it's big. So the first room is big. Look. But you know, I'm scared to open the door. He maybe run out. So, but anyway, it's big. Yung magkasya dito sa loob, maybe 15 heads of chicken. But look at this. This is the guy. He's only one inside. Look at his eyes, the guy. Yeah. So he is only one here because he always fighting to other roaster, another chicken. So the second room, it's the same. Ayan, it's the same, but they still small. But again, I'm scared to open the door. Maybe they will run out and go. So because you know, hindi namin papakawalan today dahil uuwi kami. So ayan, look at their legs. Yeah, so I guess it's one of them approximately 700 grams. Yan. So, approximately, each of them, the weight are 700 grams. So, actually, mga 3 months ko pa lang to nabili. Mga ano ba yon? Mga chicks pa yung nabili ko. So, we buy chicks and look at them. So, the space are the same. Possible, approximately, the chicken can goes inside 15 to 20. It's big rooms, guys. You can sleep inside. 2 people inside can lay down inside. Now, this one, it's already laying an egg. Now, let's go to the third rooms. This is the third rooms. So here, they are already big. So it's possible there is 1 kilo, 3 kilos. But again, I'm scared to open it. Maybe they will run. Yeah. But let me try to open. Let me try to open the door. Oh, no. Apa, yang anday ngin eh. Yung anday pat, manok. Wapa. Ay, paano na yung ini? So, look. Oh my God. They are ready to go out. Look. Ouch. Oh, no. No. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Stay inside. Yeah. So, they are not eating breakfast yet. Okay. And let's go to the first room. I guess it's only one guy also here. You know, the rooms are the same size. So all the rooms, it can occupy 15 heads of chicken. It's small. Look. See? It's only one guy. Two. One boy. So one rooster here. And one girl there inside. So they are dating inside. Oh my God. Look. Diba? Grabe, ang init ngayon. Look at the sky. It's blue. Blue sky. Sky blue. Blue sea. Blue sea. Oh, diba? Ganyan ang kulay ng dagat pag malalim at malinis. Blue sea. Yan. Ganyan talaga.